Welcome, my friends, to the Theclastyle. I'm Sharon, your host for the day, and I'm so happy to have you in my company, where I'll be sharing with you this redo of some old closet louver doors. I'll also be using this little cubby that my granddaughter had gotten from my mother. It had a lot of toys and wares and pots and pans in it. So I'm going to redo it into something lovely. Now with this louver door from the closet, it was being thrown out, but I decided that all the pieces that will be coming undone, I'm going to use my wood glue and get it restuck. But first I wanted to cut it down to a particular size to use as a medicine cupboard. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm cutting off the piece that I'll be using for my door for my medicine cupboard. Now this is a power up collab hosted by the lovely Kansira DIY and my beautiful friend Zena from OK at Home DIYs and a whole host of other talented ladies, and all the information is going to be in the description box together with the playlist. So do go visit all those ladies channels, and there's going to be a secret word that you have to comment in their particular video to win a $25 gift Amazon card. Now like I said, I'm using my wood glue and I'm putting all the pieces back together and into it, and this was going to be thrown out anyways, so I'm giving it new life. So I'm just filling in the corner with the wood glue, and I will have to use my mallet and just give it a good pound back in place, which I am doing here, so that everything is going to fit snug together. Guys, I have a bit of a flu and my throat is very sore, so if you hear me sounding kind of funny, that is why. So guys, like I was saying, this was given to my granddaughter. It had little pots and pans, little toy pieces, and I decided to use it. So I did paint the inside with my gray paint and I let it dry, and then I did the outside with white, and then I dry brush the white all around the top of the piece. And I thought I'm gonna leave it like that, and then I decided I am going to use some paper that I had gotten. I think I paid $5 for it, and I decided that I was gonna get the inside stuck with the paper. So this is the paper that I had gotten, really lovely. I did do another DIY with this, which I'll share with you later down, but I used it. I cut off the pieces and I stuck it onto the shelves. Now this is how it's looking. I think it's looking so cute. So guys, my secret word is Glowforge, and I thought that I would get a little information about it because I knew nothing about it. And you put a piece of material like leather, wood, or acrylic in a machine, and it carves out your product using laser light. The technical name for this is, it's a CNC laser cutter engraver, and it's kind of like if you're using a printer, I guess. So that's just some information on it. That sounds like a nice tool to have. So guys, I got these hinges and it's gold, of course, and I think it's going really nice with this. Of course I have to paint this. Now my thoughts about this particular painting here. I have this lovely spray paint, and this is a paint and primer in one, and I decided to use it. I covered the whole front, and then I came in with my cement gray and just dry brush that on. And I'm going to be putting my placements for my hinges, and what I thought it would be easier is that if I attach my hinges to the door first, it's going to be a lot easier when I'm attaching it now to the box. and it was really easier. I am using my little screwdriver, and then I'm sanding it in with the screw gun. That made it a lot easier also because these screws are very small. And this is it here, and I'm now going to attach it to the front of the medicine cabinet, and I'm doing the same thing. I am screwing it into the piece. I did prop it up on a chair so that it held it nicely in place, and it's coming along so nicely. And guys, I certainly enjoyed this doing this particular piece. And this door, closet door, fit perfectly to the front. It seemed like it was made for it, and the only thing I had to do to the closet door was cut it down and fill back in all the little strips. I bought a lovely handle here, give it a little rustic look, and I just screw that in. And I got a hook and eye, which I found that with the theme it's gonna look so nice. Eventually I'm going to spray paint that. And guys, this is how it looks. Let me know what you think, guys, and look at the little hook and eye. It came in so handy. Now this is not where I want it to be, but we are still in the process of doing this particular room here where everything is going to be set in place. Do like, subscribe, and share, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation, and do check out all the ladies in the playlist provided below, and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.